Business license in the United States. Applicable to the United States only, an employer identification number or an EIN is the corporate equivalent to a social security number. Although it is issued to anyone, including individuals, the purpose of an EIN is so that the IRS will be able to identify your business for taxes. You need an EIN to work with wholesalers. You need it to be able to buy products for resale. Without an EIN, you will not have access to legitimate wholesalers. It is required to go into the retail business. With an EIN, you won't have to pay for sales tax on products you buy for your business, including items for resale. Hi, this is Matt Bernstein from Low Cost Hustle. The reason to consider getting a business license is because you separate yourself from your business. Your business becomes a person, and it will be considered one if someone should decide to sue you. Choose a business structure. Now, to start off, I chose to become a sole proprietorship at the start. You alone own the company and are responsible for its assets and liabilities. And in the future, when my business became successful, I became a limited liability company. LLCs are not taxed as a separate business entity. Instead, all the profits and losses are passed through the business to each member of the LLC. Members report profits and losses on their personal federal tax returns. Advantages of an LLC. Members are protected from personal liability for business decisions or actions of that LLC. This means that if an LLC incurs debt or is sued, members' personal assets are usually exempt. Keep in mind that limited liability means limited liability. Members are still not necessarily shielded from wrongful acts, including those of their employees. There are less record keeping. An LLC operational ease is one of the greatest advantages. There's less registration paperwork, and there are small startup costs. Disadvantage of an LLC. Self-employment taxes. Members of an LLC are considered self-employed and must pay the self-employment tax contributions towards Medicare and Social Security. The entire net income of the LLC is subject to this tax. You can file for an LLC yourself. You love hard work and you rely on yourself in order to succeed. Avoid LegalZoom because they will charge you a $500 per filing fee and will not give you that much value in return. It will usually take you 30 minutes to do it yourself, cut out the middleman, and avoid LegalZoom. Steps to creating a business license. Choose your business name. You want to create a unique business name that will become your brand identity. What connotations does it evoke to your customers? Does it reflect your business philosophy? Does it appeal to your market? Is the domain website name available? Articles of organization, a simple document that legitimizes your LLC and includes information like your business name, address, and the names of its members. For most states, you file with the Secretary of State. There will be an associated filing fee for this document. In Massachusetts, I paid about $525. You can register with your state, go to the state.gov website, and file for an LLC. Disclaimer, I am not a lawyer and I cannot give you legal advice. This information was just what I did. This information was referenced from www.smallbusinessadministration.gov. Have you filed your business license before? Did you do it yourself or with a company like LegalZoom? Leave a comment below and tell me about your experience. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel, and to learn more tips and tricks, subscribe to the email newsletter.